dark, I'll be your flame. Every storm, I'll take the rain. When you're lost, I'll guide you through every road will lead to you. I lose my calm, I lose my pace. I see your name, I freeze in place. I tell myself I'm letting go, but every step just feels too slow. I see the signs, I feel the doubt. Still every time I shut it out, you pull me in, then let me fall. I say I'm fine, I'm not at all. Maybe I'm delusional, losing my mind, I'm delusional. Crossing the line, maybe illusional. Stuck in your eyes, I'm delusional. Calling it fine. You say my name, then look away, like you don't know what else to say. I feel the space you never fill. I'm standing still, you never will. I see the signs, I feel the doubt. Still every time I shut it out, you pull me in, then let me fall. I say I'm fine, I'm not at all. Maybe I'm delusional, losing my mind, I'm delusional. Crossing the line, maybe I'm delusional. Stuck in your eyes, I'm delusional. Calling it fine. I still hear your voice in the static night, like a signal fading out of sight. Every star reminds me of your eyes, burning softly in forgotten skies. I've been drifting through the atmosphere, holding on to echoes left in here. Cold galaxies inside of my chest, still searching where your shadow rests. And I'm falling through the dark tonight, trying to find a little light. Your memory pulls me like gravity, even when you're gone from me. Now I'm dancing with the satellites, lonely underneath neon skies. If love is lost somewhere above, I'll keep chasing us through the stars. my colors bleed into the rain. Every heartbeat whispers your name. I build a world around your soul. Now I'm learning how to let it go. But somewhere deep beyond the blue, a piece of me still runs to you. Through endless silence I survive, keeping broken dreams alive. And I'm falling through the dark tonight, trying to find a little light. Your memory pulls me like gravity, even when you're gone from me. Now I'm dancing with the satellites, lonely underneath neon skies. If love is lost somewhere above, I'll keep chasing us through the stars. I'll keep chasing us through the stars. Maybe hearts were made to break apart like constellations in the dark. But even supernovas fade, their light still travels through the space. So I'll carry every scar you left, like silver fire in my chest. And if tomorrow calls my name, I'll rise through all this Now I'm flying through the dark tonight, finally found a little light. Your memory still lives inside of me, but it no longer cages me. Now I'm dancing with the satellites, stronger underneath these skies. Even alone among the stars, I know who we really are. And though your touch has turned to dust, the universe still sings of us. So I'll keep moving through the scars, like a lonely light among the stars. Among the stars. Still breathing in the dark. I keep your shadow in the hallway light. It moves like you were never really gone. The room is quiet, but it feels too wide, like all the stars forgot where we belong. I left you sweater by the window frame, still holding warmth from another time. I say I'm fine, but when I hear your name, the silence opens like the sky. I'm falling through stars tonight, calling your name to the empty sky. Lost in the dark, but I'm still alive, holding one spark inside. I'm falling through stars tonight, trying to breathe where the echoes hide. If letting you go is how I survive, I'll keep one light alive. There were words I never learned to say, they stayed like thunder underneath my chest. Now every sunrise feels a world away from every dream we almost had left. I trace the places where your hands have been, like constellations fading from my skin. I wish that love could turn around again, but some doors close without without a sound within. I'm falling through stars tonight, calling your name to the empty sky. Lost in the dark, but I'm still alive, holding one spark inside. I'm falling through stars tonight, trying to breathe where the echoes hide. If letting you go is how I survive, I'll keep one light alive. Stripped down, whispered at first, then rising. Maybe the pain is not the end. Maybe it's teaching me to bend. Maybe the heart can break and glow in places only darkness knows. I wanna erase what we became, let the tears fall with your name. And when the night pulls me apart, I find the dawn inside my I'm falling through stars tonight, calling your name to the empty sky. Lost in the dark, but I'm still alive, holding one spark inside. I'm falling through stars tonight, trying to breathe where the echoes hide. If letting you go is how I survive, I'll keep one light. I'm falling through stars tonight, far from the love I left behind. But even alone in the endless night, I'll keep one light alive. I lost your love, but not my sky. Through the dark, I'll be your flame. Every storm, I'll take the rain. When you're lost, I'll guide you through. Every road will lead to you. I promise I'll be with you. I promise I'll never leave you. I promise. When the night feels cold and